Hey guys, this is Rob with a quick recap of last week and a preview for the coming week. So last week at the workshop, it was awesome. We connected ChatGPT for the first time to our Make.com scenario. And the reason that was so cool was there were so many aha kind of light bulb moments last week where people were saying, oh my gosh, I can literally connect ChatGPT to analyze any bit of information. In this case, we were analyzing a form, an intake form, and ChatGPT processed that information and then emailed us a to-do list that it came up with on its own. So it was very, very powerful. And this next week, we're going to do something that has been requested, probably my most requested automation to this point, which is creating an email triage system. So what that means is we're going to create a system that reads emails as they come in. And if they clearly fall into certain categories, it's going to automatically put those emails into folders in your Outlook or in your Gmail or whatever you want. So this is like really powerful, really practical. I think every single person on the call is going to be able to get some value out of this one. And so we look forward to seeing you Wednesday at 11 a.m., same time, same place, and we're going to rock and roll.